In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Epson Workforce 2860 printer that is printing lines. For example, it can print horizontal lines or vertical lines on the printed paper. To fix that issue, we have to go to the printer control panel. Go to the main screen and scroll ahead and click on the maintenance. Select printhead alignment. It will give you few options: basic alignment, vertical alignment, ruled line alignment and horizontal alignment. So there are 4 options. Whatever the issue you are facing in your printout, you can select the correct option from here. For example, I am having the vertical alignment issue, so I'll just select it and click on the print. You have to find a box without vertical lines or with the least vertical lines and just enter that value on the main screen. Once you do that, press OK button, and whenever you are going to print now onwards, there won't be any vertical line. In the same way, you can do it for the horizontal alignment and the other things. Hopefully this video will help you to fix the issue. Thanks for watching.